birthday, Granddad. Happy birthday. I don't hear him.
He can't hear. He'll hear you though.
Happy birthday, Grand. I can't hear him.
Okay. Well, we'll call him later, but now let's do the video. Just sing it, and then we'll put it on the computer, and then you can talk to him. Okay?
Happy birthday, Granddad. Happy birthday, Granddad. Happy birthday, Granddad. Happy birthday to you.
What do you want to tell Granddad?
Thank you in the birthday party.
You say, what?
Say, thank you, Granddad.
Thank you. He's a good granddad. Will you say, do you want to say I love you?
Yeah. I love you, Granddad.
Mwah. Don't really touch it.